Morning at the Contemporary Hotel. Stacy had made a reservation. Breakfast at Chef Mickey's. Warm, sticky cinnamon rolls. They have everything, including bacon. Which I am enjoying immensely. How is it? Yeah, it was fantastic. This breakfast is making up for every hotel we've ever stayed at that didn't have bacon on their breakfast. And here you can interact with characters. There's Pluto.
Thank you, I will treasure this. Take it up.
Hold on, stay. Goofy and Donald. Donald is Stacy's favorite. Stacy had bought a Stanley Cup for the characters to sign just on this trip.
I'm training for your challenge in January.
Goofy, we're going to ride his roller coaster a little bit later. I never thought I'd be geeking out over characters, and yet here we are. Mickey. And the face of the House of Mouse himself. Yeah, let's have a look. Stanley with all the characters. Wow.
And it's a really fun way to interact with the characters. If you're shy and you don't know what to say to them, it's like it's some.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's really good.
Cupcakes. This was our anniversary trip. That is really sweet. Over at Pop Century Resort, so we left the Contemporary, which was part of the plan, to move over to Pop Century. And the cafeteria is being refurbished at Pop Century, and you can only do mobile orders. But right across Hourglass Lake is Art of Animation, and we're going to run over there and get a Gatorade because I am a little bit headachy and I'm not firing on all my cylinders today.
He's not firing on his cylinders. He's not really listening or processing like anything I'm telling him.
And I keep hearing a voice. Look at Hourglass Lake though, it's very pretty. And I've never seen one, but it's allegedly teeming with alligators. The Contemporary was fab. I would definitely stay there again. But it's really expensive. They had a sale, which is why we stayed there. And it was really close to Magic Kingdom. And at the end of the night, after trick-or-treating and riding rides and walking around, we were really glad that all we had to do was bop over to the hotel instead of going through the ticket and transportation center and getting a ferry or...
I feel like those resorts only work for Magic Kingdom though, because everything else is kind of a pain to get to from there.
Yeah.
So I would only really do it if you were doing a Magic Kingdom, maybe a Magic Kingdom Epcot heavy trip. Otherwise, it's really inconvenient to like getting off world or going anywhere else like MGM or Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, the Sky Cars don't go there. And from Pop Century, the Sky Cars go pretty much everywhere. And we're having a pool day today, just a chill day. We're not going to any parks. I'm exhausted anyway. I need another good night's sleep before I attempt that. But tomorrow it's on.
It's on. Did you see that dragonfly?
Oh. That's gonna make me feel better. A few hours later. So we're on our way to the Sky Cars because we're going to the Boardwalk area, and we're going to have some Italian at
Trattoria El Forno.
Sounds fancy. I've been napping because I've been just exhausted.
Yeah, we didn't really do a pool day because there was like 8 billion people at the pool and it's super hot and we were tired. So I just read a book and Brian slept.
Slept, like dreamed heavily. I'm like, I don't know, I was just exhausted, more so than usual. But we're going to eat some Italian. Look at Stacey looking like a star.
Oh.
Her sunglasses.
I thought they looked like NCIS. So I wanted to wear them for my costume.
That's fun. Love that show. I lost that cap on this trip.
Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
We are headed to Epcot International Gateway.
Oh yeah, we gotta change like
We are now
circles like 3
over
times.
Hourglass.
Last time I filmed this, I think it was pouring rain. It's pretty today. The Boardwalk has all manner of shops and fine dining. Disney's decor is the best. It's called Trattoria El Forno.
That means restaurant.
After a bit, we were seated. And if you have a big screen and the patience and the curiosity, here is the menu. If not, I'm sure you can find it online. I'll just give you the Star Wars scroll here. Bread and oil dip. They bring you bread and oil, which is delicious. It's like Carrabba's, but better.
Roasted garlic.
And our cuisine.
Stacey got a Greek salad,
This is the Tuscan salad.
a Tuscan salad.
It's got berries in it.
That's it.
Yeah.
We got some bruschetta and we got a Caesar chicken salad.
Stacy said after 2 days of eating park food, you're like, just give me some lettuce.
So that was delicious and very filling. Some of the best bruschetta I've ever had. The chicken salad was, Caesar salad was delicious. What do you think, hon?
I loved it. It was fun. Our waiter was super awesome. It was really good.
This is a really good restaurant if you go to Disney.
And I think I'm kind of done.
But wait, there's more.
We got this cake. It says congratulations. This is our cake for anniversary.
It's our 8th anniversary.
8th anniversary.
And
Does
there's a
not
little
seem-
tail on the back. Did you get a little chocolate tail?
That is cute.
Make sure you get lots of pictures. Do you want to take a regular stationary
Yes.
picture of it?
Fun times at the Boardwalk.
And then take a picture of like the guts. Yeah. A little slice of slice.
This is a milk chocolate mousse celebration cake if you come here and you want one.
Oh, it's good. Oh, yeah. Looks like a scene from a hostel, but tastes like heaven.
Yeah, it's really good.
Wow. So we're back at Art of Animation, and you can see the cars actually have tail lights and headlights. We showed you this earlier. We said we might come back at night. We wanted to share it with lights on.
I've always been impressed with Disney's theming. Pretty cool.
The headlights turn on. That's cute.
Yeah, it's really neat. But what we really wanted to share was the retro style part of cars, of course. It's heavily Route 66 based. As Stacey pointed out, up on this rotating sign up here, is Z's for a good night's sleep. And this, of course, we discussed earlier, is like bathrooms and a laundry, but very neat.
The background sounds make me think of TV Land.
They got Luigi's Casa della tires. Big old stack of tires. And over here, more Route 66 Western stuff with
Cool. And I guess those cones are like the pool cabana.
yeah, teepees or wigwams or something, but very much themed like Route 66 little motels, motor lodges.
I love this place. And next video will be riding rides.